Well, hello there. This is the inventory system. Um, it is very easy to set up. In this demonstration, I will showcase how you have to set it up. First, you need to create a new top-down um, project, or call it testing project, and we create the testing project. After that, once this is set up, we will only migrate the inventory system into that project, and that should be enough. After that, I'll showcase some other things that you need to set up. So this is the testing project now. Let's put that to the side for a second. Let's go here. We want to, sorry, before we go, we first get the file location of the content in this folder. So we copy that because we need that location for the migration. So in here, we make sure that everything within the inventory system is selected. All of this is selected. We press OK. We put the file location in here. So we go to the past testing project and we select the folder. Now the migration will start. Might take a minute. Shouldn't take too long though. Yeah, there we go. Now we don't need this project anymore. Let's go to this project. So within this project, we now can see that inventory system has been added. We can open the base top-down character that is being used within this level. And we go to inventory system. Then you get AC inventory system. Add this to your character. Add this actor component to your main character. Then we can set an inventory size here. Let's put it to 16. We hit compile. And when we press play, we can press B, and that will showcase that we have the inventory system right now. So we see the individual slots, but right now there's no item to interact with yet. So that's what we're going to cover right now. Navigate to the inventory system, go to interactables, and add in one of those interactable actors. In here, we can see within the default section, we can go to the item row. The data table is selected by default, and we can select an item that we want to spawn inside the world. In this case, we want to spawn in a carrot, and we only want one in this case. If you want multiple to give multiple items within a certain item, you can do that and set that here as well. But for this demonstration, we will only show one. If you press play now, we can interact with it, click on it, and there's the carrot. We can drag the carrot into a weapon slot because it says that it is a legendary weapon. We can drag it in there, and the stats will automatically change. And that is the core essence of this inventory system. When it comes down to adding items, we can go to variables, data table, DT items, and in here I made a couple of placeholder items, but adjust this to your heart's content. We can add a new row in here. Let's say we call it testing amulet. We can set the name here, testing amulet. We can give it a description. This is a description. If we want, we can add a picture. There are pictures provided along with this project that all the credits go to gameicons.net, but we can look for amulet. If you have a model for your item, or you wish your item to have a model, you can select it in here. In this case, we don't have a model for this. We can select a rarity in here. We can say what stack size it is. So should it only stack to 1 or maybe to 100? Again, up to you. We can set a sell price. Let's do it to 1, 2, 3. And if you want to add in equipment data, you do have to open the DT table and add a new row in here. I can demonstrate that real quick here. Let's say we give it a couple of intelligence, which is 15, and there's also secondary stats right now. But for this demonstration, that is not very necessary. We can now select the DT equipment here, And then we can say, oh, I did not set this row. So testing underscore amulet. This will be updated in the future. Right now, I have made a editor utility widget. There is some functionality in there that was added in 5.3, but it is not functional yet. I'm trying to reach out on the forums right now to look further into that. But in the next update, that will be added into this project, so it will be easier to add in items, so you don't have to go to the two different data tables. We can now select the slot type. If it is an inventory item, that means that you cannot equip the item. But since we're making an amulet, let's click on the amulet slot type. We press save. We go back to top-down menu. We're going to duplicate this item to showcase that if we get the testing amulet now within the world, we can pick those up now. So here's our testing amulet. As you can see, nothing in our inventory yet. We can pick them both up, and it shows that they can only stack to a 1, so you get 2 stack sizes. And here you can equip it. And that is a very quick way of setting up the inventory system and their items. If you want to have more information, there is a demo level provided that you can look through, and there's a gym level with a little bit more information, where also the documentation is shown for the project. So if you walk over here, now a file will be opened, and this will bring you to the Google Docs with the installation and how to set up different things within the project, like a new item type or a new equipable item like we just went over. And that is it for this showcase. Thank you very much for listening, and good luck with your project.